And some pets did run away during the active and at times loud holiday weekend. The Tazewell County Animal Control Group tells us they took in 8 strays in the past week, including 4 this past holiday weekend, which is above average, according to staff. Most of the animals that came in do have microchips, though, making it much easier to find the owners. They currently hold 70 cats and 25 dogs, and while the organized fireworks shows are over, a staff member says drowning out the louder sounds with something of your own can help the pets feel less startled and keep them from running away.
We tell people to make sure that they have identification on, even if it's just writing your phone number on their collars. Keep them inside, turn up the TV, keeping an eye on them, making sure that they don't slip out of the yard or slip out of the door.
She says they were able to contact the owners for all of the dogs they did find. Cats have been found as well, but not over this holiday weekend, but because they take in hundreds of animals each year in Tazewell County, they are asking for dry dog food donations to feed the strays.